This is Marissa from Design by Geeks and Rissa Rocks It, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make our gift boxes with the interlocking top closure. I'm using this tree box as an example, but these instructions will work for any of our boxes that have this style of closure at the top. You can buy these designs via the link in our video description. Let's get started. First, you start by cutting out all of your pieces on your cutting machine. This is the main box shape, and I think this looks really cute if you use a patterned paper, but you can use a plain colored paper as well. There will also be two smaller pieces that you can cut out. These pieces are optional, and they're only if you want your top to be a different color than your box itself. As you can see on this completed box, I do have the tree in a different color from the box. But if you only want your box to be the one color, you can just cut out the single piece and it will still work just the same. You're going to start by folding your box along the score lines. If you do want to use a second color for your box closure, you're going to glue those on now. When gluing those on, just make sure you're gluing it on the right section, as the notches will be on different sides. And when you're gluing them on, just make sure you keep that notch space open, as that's how your box is going to lock together. Next, you're going to apply glue on this side tab, and then you're going to fold it around to glue to the opposite side of the box. And just hold that in place until your glue is set. Next, we're going to assemble the top of the box. That's the part with the interlocking closures. So you're going to start by folding down the two plain tabs, and then you're going to take your two top tabs with the decoration and you're going to kind of angle them together so that the slots fit inside of each other, like so. And now you're going to close the bottom of your box, and you just fold down the two flaps and close the lid. Now when it's time to fill your box, you can either open it from the bottom or at the top to fill it. I recommend opening it from the bottom just because it's easier just to keep that closed if you can. But that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.